How does golf ball compression change initial ball velocity? Imagine hitting a golf ball and feeling how it squishes against the club. That squish is what we call compression, and it plays a big role in how fast the ball starts flying. When a golf club strikes a ball, the ball deforms slightly, and this deformation is measured on a scale from about 30 to 120. The lower the number, the softer the ball, and the higher the number, the harder it is. This compression affects how energy moves from the club to the ball at impact, which then influences the initial speed of the ball as it leaves the club face. A ball with a softer core, meaning lower compression, compresses more easily. This is especially good for players with slower swing speeds because it allows more of the club's energy to transfer into the ball. When more energy is transferred, the ball leaves the club face faster, giving it a higher initial velocity. Think of it like a sponge that squishes more and then pushes back harder. On the other hand, a ball with a harder core or higher compression doesn't squish as much. This type is better suited for players with faster swings because it helps them control the ball better and produce less spin while still maintaining a high initial speed. But the relationship between compression and initial velocity isn't just about how much the ball squishes. The coefficient of restitution, which measures how much energy stays in the ball after impact, also matters. Studies show that both low and high compression balls can produce similar initial speeds across different swing speeds. That means a softer ball can still perform well for faster swings, and a harder ball can work for slower swings, depending on other factors. For golfers with slower swing speeds, choosing a lower compression ball can help because it compresses more and makes better use of their swing energy. This can lead to a noticeable boost in initial ball velocity and more distance. For players with faster swings, higher compression balls are often better because they help keep the ball under control and reduce unwanted spin, all while still providing a good initial speed. Other things like the ball's construction, the club's loft angle, and how the ball impacts the club face also influence how compression affects initial velocity. For example, a club with more loft can increase the launch angle, and the impact dynamics, including spin and slip, change how the ball compresses and speeds off the face. In the end, understanding how compression impacts initial ball velocity helps golfers pick the right ball for their swing. Softer balls tend to give a boost for slower swings, while harder balls suit faster swings better. But because the coefficient of restitution and impact mechanics also play roles, both types can perform well across different swing speeds. Knowing this helps players make smarter choices about their equipment, leading to better distance and overall performance on the course.